Here's a quick video on how to change the strap on a Whoop. I just got the 5.0 and I figured that I'd give away the 4.0 to my wife. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the strap on this video and teach you guys how to do it as well. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is open the new one up. So here is the new band. As you can see, there's no device. And here is my older Whoop, the 4.0, which I'm going to take apart now. Alright, so to start taking off the band on this one, guys, so what you wanna do is open the Classic app as if you were to take off your Whoop. And then you wanna push open all the way through so the Whoop looks like this. And then you could just take this apart. As you can see, if you push in, this would just come out. And this part of the band is already off. And then for the other part of the band, all you have to do is literally slide it up and it will come up. Just slide it to one of the sides and it comes off. Now, what I recommend that you do is clean up your Whoop. Even if you're not gifting it, even if you're keeping it, it's always good to keep it clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down real quick. Now, after you clean your device, which is optional, it's time to install the new strap. And it's actually super easy. We're just going to do the same process we just did, but kind of backwards, right? Now, what you wanna do is grab the bottom of the Whoop, the part with the sensor, and match it with the bottom of the strap. It's this little part right here that has the extra stuff. You could also see the inside because it has a different grip. And then you want to go ahead and slide this in super easy, the same way that we took it out earlier. Slide it in, and then you're going to take off this clasping here. You could just pull it out like that, super easy. Take it off, and after you have taken it off, you could connect the new part of the clasp. Just go ahead and enter it in here. I don't even know how to say that verb. Just go ahead and insert it in there. And there you have it. Your new Whoop is set up, your new clasp, I guess, it's set up, and you are ready to give this away or start using your new strap. And now that I think about it, you didn't even have to take this apart from here like I did at the beginning, but well, I did taught you how to do that, so there you go, you will learn something extra. There you guys have it. That's how to change the strap on a Whoop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.